subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Realme Narzo 30 in Malaysia, the company has now launched the 5G variant of it in Europe, and it seems to be a rebranded version of the recently launched Realme 8 5G smartphone with different rare design pattern. Talking about the specifications, the Realme Narzo 30 5G features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate, and it has a hole punch at the top left corner that carries an 16-megapixel selfie camera with f2.1 aperture. The rear panel of the phone features a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 48-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel black and white sensor with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone can capture up to Full HD videos at 30 frames per second with ultra image stabilization support for anti-shake video recording. Under the hood, the Realme Narzo 30 5G comes powered by MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 18W fast charging. As per the software, the handset runs on Android 11 based on Realme UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone also features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.5 by 74.8 by 8.5 millimeters, and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Realme Narzo 30 5G has been priced in Europe at €219, and it will be soon available for purchase in Racing Blue and Racing Silver color options. So what do you guys think of this Realme Narzo 30 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys now next video.